Wahala, wahala, wahala. Now, since the Idris Abdulkareem interview with the Honey Bunch podcast has gone viral, there's been a lot, so many responses from here, there, everywhere. Every artist, or almost every artist, seems to have an opinion, a negative opinion, about what Idris said in that interview, the things he has been saying for years. And Rude Boy Psquare, yeah, he initially drops a message when the first clip of the interview went viral. But then on the 21st of February 2024, he came out again and he went on Instagram Live and actually finished Idris Abdul Karim. Now, unfortunately, while we were recording this, the storage space on the iPhone was full, and you know the way iPhones are, they don't alert you until you try to end the screen recording and then now tell you that full, unable to save. But we did get most of it, so please enjoy. And man, wow, wow, this is finished. I've never seen Rude like this before.
What's good? How you guys coping though? I know it's not easy, but I will not tell you people I'm not a pastor, so normally you must even pray. You're supposed to be praying at any point. So I won't be telling you people go and pray and go and do this one. I go tell you, go double your hustle. And things will continue getting worse because as long as you have the wrong people out there, nothing will change. As long as you continue having wrong people. So, I know they go market, and they go market maybe once. For my house, and they go market maybe once in a month. Somebody's asking, go market. So, what am I saying? Gosh. Let me see. We had that, they say Psquare not booking shows. When I photo, they hear. We book shows for Psquare, we still play Psquare shows, okay? I don't know where that thing is coming from. Some of you are not just because I drop music, everybody don't conclude, say, what were you expecting me to do? There's still Psquare, there's still Road Boy, there's still Mr. P. I don't know why is that one a problem. Okay, which state are you from? I'm from Anambra State. This one where you get light, it be like say, somebody say, tell us your own side of the story. Oh, about this noise maker, we want me to call, what be that in there? That noise maker, we want me to when they do some sacrifices for them. We saying they pave way. No, I can't remember him showing us where he has cutlass and enter bush, the clear road. I'm paving way. You people come and paving way. The clear bush, the things they make pave way. Everybody do on their own hustle. Okay, let me just tell you guys. Everybody. You don't sit down and watch somebody keep insulting different generation to generation. The generation before him, the generation after him, the generation of, the generation after him, which kind of insult? Why? I don't get it. I might understand you're frustrated, bro, but just everybody cannot come and be telling you you are lying. Nobody. And when I say you are lying, I know first of all, I didn't know what happened in the plane. I was never there. To make everything worse, Psquare did not perform in 50 Cent's show. We were never in the bill. So, bro, what's your problem? Not today, they carry Psquare for. It's not see the progress to attack you. That is his way. Like you guys are just not seeing it now. Check what he has been doing since. Let me tell you. There was a generation There was a generation, before his generation, before my generation, before nobody could nobody could even mention your name. Nobody will mention your name, my brother, because nobody sent your papa. You're so stubborn. Arrogant, greedy. You know what they pain you. You don't see, and with you today, what did happen now? That means you never happen. I not say that there you lie, you not consign me. It's none of my business. I was not there. You say something happened for backstage. They carry Koboko flog that Psquare. Psquare did not go for the concert. We have another concert. We were never billed. And the reason why, because they offered us peanut, we say we're not going to play. But dude, you go collect peanut. You're going to expect VIP treatment on top of you. They don't beat you well. They don't beat you well. They didn't beat you. Then some of you want to make it like, Burna Boy, why would Burna Boy talk about his health or whatever? My brother, an old man will not respect his age. They go carry him balls, tie up and leave. Did you hear me? An old man will not respect himself. They will carry him balls, tie up and leave. If you know what that thing means. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Psquare was never built for that concert. That the shock is here telling you guys, this guy is a big liar. Tony Totila is telling you guys, this guy is a big liar. Everybody will know he's a liar. We were never built in that concert. We didn't go. Why is Eedris mentioning us? The only way make him bring you down, they carry Koboko floor. Who collect beating? Now you the collect beating. I said they don't beat you well. They don't beat you well. I hardly come online to discuss something like this, but I don't need to go do podcast. I even call Nedu. I tell Nedu, I go send you $5,000. You Nedu, Google. If you see where the right say Psquare, they backstage, or Psquare perform for this concert, or Psquare was even built to perform in that 50-cent concert, Nedu, I go give you $5,000. Nedu find and finish through yesterday, no see him. This morning say, bros, I don't see him. I say, see him. Why is he lying? Let me tell you the people that perform in that concert. 21 Week, Obesere, Daddy Shoki. Now them Sonia, now them perform. Those ones are a legend. Then we were the Gen Z of today. The Tony Totila, the Star Plus, the South Sultan, the Psquare. You know, that was it. And now everybody will just look. He fought for the industry. I just imagine a holding phone. Carry cutlass, enter bush. I'm fighting for you people, the clear road. Psquare becoming, the man becoming, I clear it. Now what he put for your mind. That is his problem. This industry, do on your own. I swear to God. Shout out to every young artist that is making it. Because if they leave this guy, the next generation will go come out. I go tell you, if by the grace of God, maybe the likes of even Wizkid, Pikin. This Eedris stupid story go continue. You go they pass and they go. Can't you just celebrate people and let it be? I fought. Now they're entering private jet. Like I talk, Superman, Hulk Hogan, Hulk, Spider-Man, you're a fighter, warrior. But now you're not saying this guy shouldn't have mentioned his health. Okay, the health fit be, but now he find trouble. All of you checking, don't waste this opportunity. Money no day Nigeria. I mean, things rough. If you want to make $10,000, go and Google 2004 50 Cent show organized by Star Mega Jam by Star. Google them. If you see where they talk say Psquare perform or Psquare were built to perform in that show, come to my house. Send me the link, man. Watch them. Or even the press conference that Psquare perform, or even after the show finish, they come analyze them. Because most of the things you see on Google is more like analyzing how the show went from this artist to this artist. That's what. If you see they still say Psquare perform for Taslim, but we were never built to perform anywhere in that concert. There are 4 concerts. There was Abuja, Port Harcourt, Benin, and Lagos. None of them were built to perform. If you see him, I'll give you $10,000. That guy is a big fat liar. He don't cook that thing for your head. So he will continue saying it. He will continue to talk am. Na mental problem. He will continue saying it. He don't build them for your head. The shock the idea I still telling you people, this guy is a liar. So you guys just chill, man. Chill. What other question do you want to know, please? Somebody say no vex. No, you see where they live. No vex for waiting. My brother, you see, this is a typical example. These are the kind of things, see, if you be OG, let me tell you the kind of advice you should give in the young people. Okay? Leave people how they do their thing, they run their thing. Advise these young guys, okay? Talk to them. Tell them what keeps it going. Tell them why things might change. Tell them how to save their money. Tell them how to invest their money. Tell them. Encourage them. Tell them, you guys continue breaking because we don't do our own part. Tell them. That's what you need. That's what. Do you know that back then there was a place where we used to take our former house called Square View. I'm sure at least you guys have seen the videos now. Whiskey came, has been to the house. If that has been to the house, everybody. They come, they will listen to you. They want to get an idea. That is how. That's the impact you create. You know, go sit down here. They wait for me to go buy RAM. Come put them for video for Eedris Abdulkareem for helping the I actually got Aja. Aja kai actually get working. About to kwa ganye ba. Don't the fire you. I actually got Aja. Man, I got cool down, man. Shout out to everybody. Be young, build the next generation to whatever. Keep pushing, man. Don't allow anybody to tell you saying the open road for you. Keep walking. Me, when I was doing it, that my road that they find. That my way paver. Yes, it's a way paver. When I was doing music, that my road that they open. But I see, shout out to the likes. Let me share one. I need to share some stories for you because you guys, I don't think you guys have ever heard this story. So, when we became big, we went for a show in Abuja. Let me share the kind of things I'll tell you that I expect people to do. Okay? We were big. Then you now met the likes of 21 Week, our Babadem, Daddy Shoki, Zakiyazi. I think Benga Deika was there. In one Star Trek show. Let me tell you what these guys did. You see, they called, it's like I said they go do meeting. They just call me and my twin brother and Jude. I remember when they took us, there was crate of beer, or everybody just did drink. Guess what? See, this is what you are supposed to be doing. And let me tell you the things that made us somehow now look as if we're different, like our success is kind of a bit different. You see, that is Shoki. I can remember that is Shoki's word. When I don't see money, make una not do the mistake we don't do before. I'm telling you guys, that is Shoki, 21 Week, Zakiyazi. Yes. Sam Sisiasia was there too. They were telling us, Don't make the kind of mistakes we've made. Some of us see money, but we did not invest. Cars go there, women go there, lifestyle go there, but guy, calm down. But guess what? You see, first of all, you need to count us in with the Igbo boys. Then from the Jos where we are coming from, my brother will not say we get target. But you see what they advised us, we still added it. We came to Lagos, the music industry, our own, our life, like just make sure we could just hammer 1 million naira, go back, we don't turn millionaire. For we are houses in America, London, they buy. Thank you. Shout out to Daddy Shoki 21 weeks like years for this advice that give us. God bless you. That is what I expect this way paver, be that way paver. That is all you should be doing. That is what you should be doing. And listen to those guys' advice. You know? So, and that was it. I listened to them. Please, shout out to every young artist doing great for themselves. Nobody they create way for you. If you love me, if you believe I created an impact to you, God bless you for that. I'm not the first person. Don't force people. Stop bringing these young artists down. Stop it. It's not healthy for you. It is not. Now, next year I hear that. Don't worry, I will not reply you. I will use music to. Do you now understand where he's going to? We never release music for. See, release. I know be God, but I go tell you what will happen. Release that music. Call all of us, then finish. The music don't get anywhere. I God make it that way. Your mouth, then they kill you. God bless you guys, alright? Let me switch that story. I know they talk about LiQWYD again. I'm done with him. Alright? So guys, what's up? Hey, there's one other thing I wanted to share with you guys. I'm gonna leave LiQWYD. When you reply now, I don't see. You guys know me very well. I hardly get involved in some kind of things, you know. But not my lifestyle, man. But this guy always want to bring somebody down to see how he will fit climb. Ah, nah, man. Go and check on YouTube. You hear it. He has been doing interview. I don't work finish. I don't go to job. You guys are not living in the island. They live for Ikoyi. Yeah. How is that your business? How? I don't know. Just like my boy Ace is here now, okay? Ace is watching me, and tomorrow Ace go make him. I go talk on the talk, say Ace, my brother, come on, let this generation, please, every generation that's coming up, okay? You guys, let me tell you what we are doing. Let me tell you what we're actually doing in this industry, okay? It's a building. We're building a skyscraper. And let me explain it to you. So, at every stage in everybody's life, we're adding blocks. Now, God put the foundation. Everybody, they add block. They build and they go. That's what we're doing. Everybody go collect. So the next generation that are coming, see how far we've gone, keep pushing. Don't allow anybody to tell you that Naim build, Naim bring bag of cement, Naim bring buy iron rod. Don't allow that bullshit to happen. If you're talking like that, what do you talk about that fella? What would you talk about the likes of Daddy Shoki and Co? Come on. You know? Huh? Huh? Your name is you see? You know? Make I even help to call some people out, safe. If not to the call out. Somebody said, what would you Baba say? Let me tell you, mark what I'm about to say. There was an incident that happened in Benin. And that should be like 12 years ago. In Benin, inside a bus. We were backstage, but we were inside a long bus. But Psquare, Two-Face, The Bunch, and Timaya, we did back. I won't tell you guys this story. Maybe I'll wait for the likes of Timaya, Two-Face, and The Bunch. You don't know if you talk the story, I don't go talk them. I live on there. There was one dirty incident that almost happened. That's why I know, say, this guy, see this guy, this way paver, a mental problem. All right? A mental problem. And somebody say, what do you have to say about Cynthia Boga? Cynthia Boga is not she's not my artist. She was never my artist. So that my other brother are artists. They don't go their different ways. Everybody don't go their own way. Now she's Sabi. I wish her get well soon. And what else? All right. So I love you guys. Okay, by the way, thank you very much for my new song, but I won't say much about it. I always tell you guys something, okay? The new Psquare is not the way it used to be before, whereby it's just me, my twin brother, and Jude, you know. We just decide. Now, you guys know Jude is no more there, so it's new management or whatever. So whenever the management and whoever decides for album or whatever, they know what to do. All right? But you see, for me, for Road Boy, I can be releasing music every day. And that's how I love the industry to be. Just the common music. There's all this too much delay, not my way. You know, so that's it. So this year, Road Boy might bring out an EP. So, but after 3 or 4 songs, EP they drop straight up this year. That's one, because that's my own thing I can categorically tell you guys. But that of the Psquare is left for the management. Whenever they are ready, they let us know. All right? But for now, that's it. God bless you guys. All right? Mwah. Welcome to my crib. How you doing?